this video, what I have here today is, this is the STP fuel injected cleaner. This is the super concentrated, and if you're like me and you got an older vehicle, this is a 2009 vehicle that has close to 200,000 miles on it. I just topped off the gas tank and it's got a full tank of gas in there. Let me give you a rundown on what the performance thing of what this thing does when you put it in there. Number one, it saves gas, which is always a plus. It revives performance, it removes deposits, and it restores lost power, unclogs dirty fuel injectors. Use every oil change or 4,000 miles. And 4,000 miles for me is about every oil change. So I drive this car a lot. This is a little small Nissan Versa that has a small engine in it, and this will treat up to 21 gallons. Now, I have added the entire thing to this tank. This is a 13-gallon tank. It's not a big tank on this thing, but I have not seen an issue with using the entire thing for use in gasoline engines, including one with turbo, direct inject, or a hybrid. Helps saves power, lower emissions by cleaning dirty fuel injectors, and that's what happens over time, us running. You know, a fuel filter helps out a lot, but a lot of times, you know, it can definitely clog up a little bit. Helps smooth and rough idling and rough starts. And you know what? Let's just go ahead and add this stuff in here. So what I do is just take off the bottle lid, and just dump the whole thing in there. And that's it. You know, now I'll just drive it as normal. I highly recommend getting some of this stuff. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got today on the STP fuel injected cleaner. See y'all in the next video.